have 4 websites where you can make money by reviewing and reading books as an African. What's even better is that each of these platforms will pay you anywhere from $5 to $60 per review. And the cherry on top is that among these 4 websites, one of them will actually pay you $5 for your rejected reviews. If you are new here, welcome to this channel, and please do subscribe if you get any insights and additional infos that you did not know about. Also, this channel is for mainly Africans, but if you are anywhere else in the world, it's also going to work for you because most of the side hustles that I suggest are always worldwide, so it's going to work for everyone. And please do subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. So the first website is called Kirkus Reviews. So on the website you can see where it says freelance project basis anywhere. You can be based anywhere in the world and you can work for Kirkus Reviews. They want people who are experienced book reviewers of English and Spanish language, but you don't actually have to be experienced. All you need is good writing samples. So they say here reviews are about 350 words and they're supposed to be due 2 weeks after you are assigned with the book. And it also says to apply, please submit your resume and writing samples. And don't worry, I'm going to tell you exactly how you're going to get this job. So what you are going to do is go to Google, type famous books or popular books. You can pick any, it doesn't matter, because all you have to do is ask ChatGPT to give you a review of that book. And when ChatGPT gives you the review, you are going to put it in Quiltbolt or another website called Spinbolt, and this website will paraphrase the review that ChatGPT gave you and make it unique and fresh. And now you have the writing samples that will make you look like an experienced reviewer. And now you have the writing samples that they need. All you have to do is apply for the job with a good resume. Also, you don't have to be actually experienced. You just need to fake it till you make it and add the writing samples that are very well written by ChatGPT. The second platform is called Reedsy. With this website, when you get hired, you are going to get the flexibility as a freelancer because you get to set your own schedules and you get to pick your own projects. And also at the same time, you're going to get a lot of clients because the platform has a lot of clients that want their books to be reviewed. So all you have to do is apply for the job, and it is the same thing as I told you in the first platform. You can use ChatGPT as your writing samples by looking for popular books and submitting the reviews from ChatGPT when you paraphrased it in Quiltbolt or Spinbolt, and just apply for the job with those samples. The third website is called Booklistonline.com. So with this website, they pay $15 per each review, and the average reviewer writes 2 to 3 reviews per month. So it's not a lot, but the key thing is that even your rejected reviews will earn you $5. So this is a win-win situation for you. The last platform is called Onlinebookclub.org. On this website, the pay range is between $5 to $60 per review, and it also says that for your first review, you will just be given the book for free. After that is when you will be eligible for the paid review opportunities. And it also says that you do not have to love the book. You are being paid for an honest review, not a positive review. So these are the 4 websites that are going to pay you for reading books and reviewing them. And other ways that you can get paid for reviewing books is by applying jobs on Upwork and Fiverr. Especially on Fiverr, I have noticed that there are not a lot of African reviewers, and this is an opportunity that is being overlooked by a lot of Africans, and you can market yourself as an African book reviewer and get clients. So this is the end of the video. Please do leave a comment in the comment section so that I can know you guys actually like this type of videos and I should do more of this. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching till the end.